I was a little girl, I've always dreamed of getting married and starting a family. I started to pray every day that God would one day lead me to someone who could love me for all my flaws and still want to wake up next to me every day. As I was dreaming, I began making a list of all the qualities that I wanted for my future husband. Someone who was respectful, patient, adventurous, kind, confident, family-oriented, someone who had a heart for God and for others, and maybe someone who was a little bit taller than me. But what I never dreamed of is that God was quietly molding someone who met all of those qualities. Well, most of them. And more. Your optimism, dedication, and tenderheartedness are the reasons I was so drawn to you. You've shown me what it means to love unconditionally, and I'm honored that God has given me such a special gift to be able to take care of you and love you for the rest of my life. We've talked about what marriage could look like for us, a commitment to love, cherish, and sacrifice anything and everything to the other, even when it might take work. As we move into this next chapter of our lives, I promise to do just that, to constantly provide my help and to serve you as your wife. I promise to respect you, honor you, and to always be honest with you. I promise to be your faithful partner, one who trusts and follows your leadership as the head of our home. I promise to support you through all of life's success and triumphs and comfort you in times of sorrow. Together we will celebrate the challenges that we will face with courage and celebrate our blessings over and over with joy and gratitude. I hope to continue to make you laugh and to be your partner in crime for watching all 1,143 episodes of One Piece and counting. And I can't wait to enjoy even the small quiet moments together, like being curled up on the couch or taking walks in the rain without shoes on. I promise to be an advocate for your ministry and a spiritual partner to push you closer to God. I promise to continue to seek my own relationship with God in order to be a better wife, partner, and friend. And most importantly, I vow to love you each and every second of our lives. You're the man I've been patiently waiting for these past years, and I've prayed for you daily, even since I was a little girl. I love you most, Pr.Peka.
Amen.